Hey guys, I have got a Kenmore washer and electric dryer here, matching set. Right now we're getting it filled all the way up with water. Got a pretty heavy jeans and towel load going. We're on ultra clean cycle, and you can see that it's filling up with water. All the components on this machine have been checked. Gets a 28-point inspection, everything electrical, mechanical. It all gets checked and everything has to work perfectly before it gets listed up for sale or before it leaves my care. And so what we're doing now is just a little test load here for you to see, as if you were standing here yourself testing it out, that everything works perfect. So we're letting it fill up. We'll go ahead and let it agitate through the wash cycle. Then we'll have the rinse cycle and then the final spin. So you can see now that it's filling up with water. I'll show you that it agitates, drains the water out, and that final spin is nice and smooth. Then we'll move over to the dryer and show you the dryer. So we'll let this go ahead and finish filling up and come back. Okay, and we filled up now, moving through the wash cycle. You can hear it agitating, nice and strong. Lift this up and you can see that it's got a nice strong agitation. Sucking those clothes in, and that's how they get nice and clean. So we'll let it move through the wash cycle, and I'll show you that all the water drains out like it's supposed to. Alright, moving out of the wash cycle into the rinse cycle. You can hear it draining the water out of the clothes there. Then from here, once it's done, it'll give a little spin and fill back up, agitate on rinse, and then we'll be on to the final spin cycle, which is what we'll come back and show you that it's nice, smooth, and fast. Alright, and we're back. Final spin cycles, just getting started here. Should be just about at top speed. As you can see in here, nice, smooth. Sounds great. And I'm going to lift the lid up and show you that it is in fact spinning nice and fast. The lid switch is going to kick in and it'll shut it down. So you'll be able to see that that safety feature works as well. There you go. Starts right back up. So we'll let that finish up and go ahead and move over to the dryer. Alright guys, I've got those clothes moved over to the dryer. I've already got it started here, so we can show you, open that up. You see the light works and everything. And we'll just set it on time dry with high heat, hit go. The Super Capacity Plus, I believe both of them are. So you get a pretty heavy load going. You can see in here, sounds great. Nice smooth operation. Then I'm going to show you that it is in fact heating like it's supposed to. Right in between those two red dots, it takes its surface temperature measurement. You can see the difference between the top of the machine and the concrete floor out here. So we'll go ahead and open this up now that it's had just a second to heat up. I'll shoot this right inside the heating element tube. You see plenty of heat coming out of that tube right there. Now the inside of your dryer is only going to get from about 95 up to 195. And that just depends on what you've got this heat setting at, because you do have a manual heat setting for your delicates and things like that, as well as an air dry and auto dry over here too. So you could just go auto dry, hit go, hit go, and you're good to go. That's going to do it for these guys here. I do appreciate you taking the time to watch this video, and if you have any questions, feel free to let me know. Thank you. Have a great day.